Have a good day at school, sweetie.
I will.
Don't be late to class and listen to your teachers.
Ugh, I do not want to go to school today. You know what? I'm gonna skip. I'm gonna go to the gas station, get some chips, and I'm just gonna enjoy my day. Oh, some Takis? This is way better than school.
Ugh, I gotta get some gas.
Oh my goodness, is that him? That's his briefcase. Oh, he is not skipping school. No way. Sweetie, what do you think you're doing? What are you doing here? You're supposed to be in school. I'm on a school field trip right now. A school field trip? Then where are the other students and where's the teacher? Get back in the car right now. I'm taking you back to school. Please don't take me back to school, Mom. Get back in the car right now. No, Mom. And now you're grounded. Worst day ever.